Hey, what's up, guys? It's Matt King with Funnel.works, and we're going to continue the process of putting this Evergreen webinar from Clickfunnels into Stealth Seminar. So this is part two. If you guys missed the first one where we spent some time building out this page, what I want you to do is click on the button up in the corner and go back and watch the first one. If you guys feel like you've got your registration page down, feel free to continue watching this video. So a quick recap, we are inside of ClickFunnels right now. We are building out a registration page which will work inside of Stealth Seminar. So what Stealth is going to do is they're actually just going to take our page and they're going to copy it. Now the only thing that, once you get this all set up, we set this up with a 15-minute countdown timer. It gives some dynamic info with today's date. We put some bullets in here, and then we put this button here, which actually just opens up the pop-up, and that pop-up is empty. That is the key. So when you guys are ready to hand this URL over to Stealth Seminar, you want to make sure that you have a little pop-up and that there is nothing in it, okay? Because Stealth Seminar is going to take this pop-up with nothing in it, and they're going to put stuff in it from their side, okay? And I'll show you how they do that here in just a moment. Let's get rid of that. Now let's go back to the main page. Yep, just in case I did something, let's hit the save button, and then we'll go back to the main page. All right, so what we want to do right now, we're going to grab the URL for this right here, and we're just going to copy that. I'm on a Mac. I'm going to do a Command-C. You probably do Control-C if you're on a PC, or maybe a right-click copy or something. So once you've done that, let's go over to Stealth Seminar. Log into your Stealth Seminar account. I'm already logged in through one of my clients' pages here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here. What's really cool about Stealth Seminar, guys, is that they have an awesome support staff, and they will take care of you. They will set everything up for you, and they will make things happen that you cannot do from your user panel, from the control panel where you create your own events. So if I go to my events and go to event list, there's some events in there, but you can't control it to the extent that they can. We need to do stuff with this particular registration page here that I cannot do on my own, and that is the dynamic information, the top of the hour or the every 15 minutes schedule. I can't do that without their help. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in a little ticket, an event creation assistance, and they're going to set this up for us. So I'm going to go to help, come down here to event creation assistance, and then it says, it gives, toots their horn a little bit, comes down here, says go to request help, and then what we're going to do is just exactly that. We're going to request help from these guys, but we're going to give them all the information that they need. Make sure that for you, your schedule might be slightly different than this, but everything stays the same. This is a ClickFunnels automated webinar, an evergreen webinar. So what we're going to do here is just click on automated webinar. For you, it might be a hybrid. It might be a live webinar. So make sure that you pick what is, what pertains to you and your situation the best. So I'm going to pick automated webinar where it repeats automatically, and we're going to call this the soulmate code. We're going to come down here, reference comment for internal dashboard. I really don't have one, so I'm just going to call it the same thing, I guess. And we're going to come down here, webinar video. We actually have not got the video yet, but if you have one, make sure that you upload it. We're going to say, no, I don't have it yet, but once we get it, we'll just upload it in here. It's asking what my schedule is. Yours might be once a week, once a day, just in time. We're going to do just in time. Let's see, top of next hour, 11 a.m., details. And you know what? We're going to say other, and we're going to put in here every 15 minutes. Okay? So that's what our countdown timer does, and they can do this. I've already spoken to them, and they said that they could set this up to run every 15 minutes. So webinar registration page, this is the part that's going to connect ClickFunnels and Stealth Seminar, okay? So what we're going to do is just tell them where our registration page is, or you can choose from one of their built-in templates if you would like, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about getting ClickFunnels and Stealth Seminar to work in harmony. So you could actually use a lot of other different systems, but we're using ClickFunnels. So we're going to click on ClickFunnels. Now, if you remember right, we copied that URL a few minutes ago. So what we're going to do says, please enter the URL location of the page you created inside your page builder. This is also called as the published page URL that other people can see. So what we're going to do, and it says we're going to copy over the design from that page into your Stealth Seminar template. So you're never actually going to use the page that you created inside of ClickFunnels, but what they're going to do is take this page, and we spent a lot of time making sure that this page was dress right dress, that this was perfectly well built, that everything, the colors were spot on. Everything about this page is perfect. So what we're going to do here at this point is just give them the URL, and then they're going to copy it into the Stealth Seminar system. Okay, so it says put link to our standard thank you page, Stealth Seminar. We're just going to use their thank you page. No need to reinvent the wheel. Custom content. Would you like any custom content? I really don't have any. If we think of some, maybe we'll give it to them at a later time. But if you have something specific that you want to give to them, make sure that you give them that. Video for the webinar registration page. Make sure that you give them a webinar a URL for that, and it was probably like a YouTube or something. Let's see what it says. If you would like to have your video in Stealth, best it resides on YouTube, like I thought. So upload your thank you video to YouTube, and then give that to them right here. Do you want to use our email responder? Yes, I'm going to use theirs. Call to action bonus, buy now. Would you like to have any text or graphics appear? I would. And then they're going to ask probably what's the content. You're going to put that in there, and they're going to say what hour, what time you want that to come up. But since the webinar is not actually up yet, we aren't going to fill that out. So we don't have those times, we don't have the graphics, but you might. So make sure that you know exactly what time you want that button to come up. We're not going to do a poll. Maybe you do. If you do, it's probably going to prompt you for some information here. How do you want to interact with your attendees? We are going to do a Q&A box, and that is it. So there'll be a little bit. You can actually do like a chat replay, which just has a box down at the bottom. It actually looks like this. They type in their information and hit enter, and then it comes back to you. Guys, that's it. When you're done, you hit the submit button, and that information will be sent straight to Stealth Seminar. Stealth Seminar is going to turn this page into a into a Stealth Seminar page, and then they're going to give you a link. You will have a specialized Stealth Seminar link that you can then use, and it has dynamic information in there, the dates, the times, the countdown timers. Everything is going to work inside of Stealth Seminar, but make sure that in your webinar, once you have that recorded and you upload that to Stealth Seminar, that you're passing that information back here to either your schedule page or your order page. So that's how it's going to work. Make sure that you have that URL and you know where you're going to send people and drive people back into your real funnel, which is going to be right here inside of ClickFunnels. So guys, that's how it works. And I hope that this was really interesting. If you have any questions, by all means, put them into the comments below this video, and I'll try my best to answer those. If you like this stuff, if you like these videos, you want more training like this, click on the links inside of the description, or like us, or click on the little bell so that we can give you guys a notification to let you know when we have more videos up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our page. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon.